It's chicken day today. Let's cook. I bought this chicken already marinated, but I'm going to wash it off and make it my own way. Garlic. I split into two and I'm going to pop it into the microwave for 1 minute. After that, it's easy, very easy to peel. Just pop, take out the back. Onions, paprika. I used red and white onions. Ginger. I'm using both the skin and everything. I'm just taking out every area I don't like and wash properly. I'm cutting my ginger in tiny pieces for easy blend, and I'm going to blend it first. Ginger prepped, blend. Now I'll add the rest of the spices, onion, paprika, chili, rosemary, nut cube, lime pepper, blend. Shake, shake, shake. Gloves on, salt. Mmm, smells so good. Massage, massage, massage that chicken very well. Get the spices to every part of the chicken. Butter. So I'm just shedding my butter. I don't want so much of it, but I just want it to spread to the on the pan, in the pan. All right. Chicken in. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oops. The pan was too small. Second pan, bigger one. Shed again. All right. Now we're transferring the rest of the chicken. Actually, there were 6 pieces of these were big, full lap chicken, big ones. Now all the remaining spices, just pour it in there. Set aside. Vegetables. So that's the pan I was using before, all that butter, I melted it. Sweet potato. You know, sweet potato cooks pretty fast, so I'm cutting them in big chunks. in the pan. So what I have in that pan is the butter, the little spices from the chicken. That's what I have there. And I cut that onion just in 4 chunks. It's for spices as well. I like to eat the onion like that. So more onions, beetroot, carrot. Some people say potato is vegetable, some say whatever. I don't know. What is it? It's actually like roots, right? Like carrots, but with a lot of nutrients, I think. So, yeah. Salt, black pepper. That's it. Mix very, very well. So that's our staple as well as vegetables, right? Ready. Ready. Then the remaining of my butter, I'm just adding on top of the chicken. Altogether, I use about 100 grams of butter for this. I'm counting on the fat from the chicken as well, so I don't want to use too much butter. I put everything in the oven. About 45 minutes later, I bring it out, take out all the excess juice, and put back in the oven. So this is the excess juice that I brought out from the chicken. I'm cooking it down to reduce the amount and also to thicken it. I'm not adding any thickener or anything. I'm just cooking it down. So now it's quite reduced. It's thicker. The oil is coming out a little bit. I'm happy with it. Checking on the chicken, I'm taking the sauce, the oil, the fat, that's that butter and the fat from the chicken that's mixed together. And a little bit of the spices that I had cooked down. And I'm just, the sauce, sorry, that I cooked down. So I'm just garnishing the chicken, making sure that it's getting as much of that flavor as possible. It's almost ready, you can see. I think at this point, one of it was missing already. Food is ready. Oh, time to eat. I think at this point I was just talking about how delicious the carrot was because it's really, really is so delicious. Yeah, that food. Oh my God, the chicken. Yum, yum, yum. It's so delicious. Please go make yours. Bye.